Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to add WPForms to Elementor. Start by installing and activating both the WPForms and Elementor plugins on your WordPress website. It's crucial to have both of these powerful tools ready to go. Make sure they are updated to their most recent versions to ensure seamless integration and avoid any potential conflicts. Once activated, you'll be able to access their features directly from your WordPress dashboard, setting the stage for creating and embedding your forms. Next, let's create your form using the intuitive WP Forms Builder. You can choose from a variety of pre-built templates or start with a blank canvas to design your form from the ground up. Drag and drop fields, customize labels, and adjust settings like notifications and confirmations. Take your time to tailor the form exactly how you envision it, then save your work to make it available for embedding. Now, it's time to bring your form into Elementor. Open the page or post where you wish to display your form using the Elementor editor. In the Elementor sidebar, search for the WP Forms widget. Simply drag and drop this widget onto your desired section of the page. Once placed, select the form you just created from the drop-down menu within the widget settings. This connects your form directly to your Elementor design. Finally, let's refine the look and publish your form. With the WP Forms widget selected in Elementor, you can use Elementor's powerful styling options to customize its appearance. Adjust colors, fonts, padding, and margins to ensure the form seamlessly integrates with your website's overall design. Once you are satisfied with how everything looks, simply publish or update your page to make your fully integrated and styled WP Forms form live for all your visitors to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.